Welcome to Miranda's Insights number 12, India. Today we're going to do a meditation on intuition. I'm in a beautiful place in Auroville, and all around me you can hear maybe some birds, beautiful trees, beautiful flowers. So it's a great place for a meditation, and I thought, okay, perhaps we'll do a video on meditation, and today's meditation will be on intuition. Intuition is more of a body sense of connecting with what is right and what's not so right, what's a yes and what's a no in your body. And so we'll just do a very simple practice. First of all, you'll meditate with me by simply getting grounded in your posture right now, like sitting upright and getting comfortable. And now take 3 deep breaths so that you can leave your thoughts and come down into your body and just feel your body. And perhaps you may want to start closing your eyes. And now you can begin to feel grounded. This is not a specific technique yet, but all you're doing is allowing your thoughts to settle. So there's no technique yet. You're wanting to come down into your body, feeling it as you sit here. And as your body settles, you may notice that there's still some thinking going on. So just take a moment and be aware of the thinking. And maybe within 5 minutes, or some people a little longer, maybe a little shorter, you'll be conscious enough to be aware that you're having some thoughts. Prior to this, being aware that you're having some thoughts, you're simply thinking, and you're absorbed in the thinking world. But what we want to do before we start the meditation is you want to be aware that you're thinking. So we're going to wait until you're aware that there's some thoughts going on in your head, and that you're aware that you are in your body and not somewhere outside of your body. And when you have that established, now you're ready to apply a technique. So now the technique is intuition, and we'll do that by you are going to give a yes or a no, a safe or a not safe, good, bad, an indication to yourself as I ask you the following questions. Does it feel good to be in your body right now? And it should be a simple yes or a no. This is developing your intuition capacity. Is there something you need to change in the way that your body is right now? And you answer only with a yes or a no. You don't necessarily have to do anything. You don't have to change it. But you can just be aware that your body is picking up that something is not right, and you have to just simply acknowledge that. Now, still connecting with your body, you can check with where your legs are. And now we'll move up into the rest of, maybe you're sitting, your shoulders, your neck. Now we're going to check your emotional body. Does it feel good to be in your emotional body right now? Yes or no? Is there something you need to be conscious of in your emotional body? Yes or no? So take a moment and just be aware. But is it a yes? Now my next question is, if it's a yes, what needs to be addressed? And just, so you're using intuition. Usually it's a yes or a no, but now you can allow your attention to go to the area which needs to be addressed. Now you can ask, is there something that needs to be changed right now in your body and in your emotions? And now we'll just take a moment, come back to the body, and now become aware of your mental body. Does it feel good to be in your mental body right now? Does something need to change in your mental body, the body with thoughts? And now I'm going to ask one or two more questions, coming back into your body. You're using your intuition. It's more like a gut-body sense. Feeling your environment right now, does it feel safe? Can you open up and surrender into this moment now because of your environment? Okay, and now with your eyes closed or open, get a sense of your whole being in your environment. And now your awareness is coming into play here now. It's not that you need to do anything. You're just conscious of your being. And you've got this inner sensor called intuition telling you if it's a yes or if it's a no. And now you can close your eyes and continue to meditate for a few more minutes. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.